Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, so first we need to check what version of the software we have, because this method will work only when we have the security patch until December 2025. So to do it, we need to open up the recovery mode first on our phone. To do it, we need to connect an USB-C cable into our phone, and the cable also needs to be connected into our computer. Now hold volume down and power button until the screen turns off. When it does, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding the power key and volume up at the same time, and when Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. So first volume down and power, keep holding. Now quickly switch, and now release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. Okay, and in here we can see the version that we currently have. As you can see, in my case it ends with GYL3. So now on our computer, let's open up a new tab, type S906B firmware. Okay, Samsung Galaxy S22 firmware. Now click on that. We need to visit the page, samfw.com. Now scroll down a little, type your country or CSC code. In my case, I'm using the European version, so I need to type EUX. Now scroll down, and in here we have all of the versions. I have this one, GYL3, with security patch from December, so it will also work. If it would be from 2026, it won't work. The security patch needs to be until December. Okay, so once we know that, we can exit that actually. Now on our page, HardReset.Info, open up the downloads and install Samsung drivers. Simply click on that and click on download. Then go into main page, and in that place type S22 Plus. Select the Samsung, bypass Google, and select with Android 16 and until security patch 12 from December 2025. Click on that, and before we download the tool, we need to turn off the antivirus. To do it, I'm using the Windows Defender. I need to click on Virus and Threat Protection, click on Manage Settings, and for now turn off the real-time protection. Okay, now we can download it, so click on SAM FRP tool and also click on download. Now once it's downloaded, click on File Explorer, go into downloads, and we need to extract these Samsung drivers. You can use WinRAR for it, so right click, WinRAR, and extract to. Same thing with the SAM FRP tool. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can always click on extract all and then extract. It will also work. And now we need to install these drivers, so click on Samsung USB and you need to install it. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't repeat the process once again. But after the first installation, I highly recommend to restart the whole computer so it will fully work. And now we need to click on Reboot System Now on our phone. Now we'll get into the setup process, so we need to wait a little bit. We can close it up for now. We need to keep waiting. Okay, now click on Start. Next, next, next. You also need to connect to the Wi-Fi. It is really important. Click on Setup manually, connect to the Wi-Fi, then click on Next. Now we need to wait a little bit until it loads. Also, I highly recommend to use the original cable or good quality cable, because otherwise it also may not work. So we need to wait a little bit. until it loads. And now we can actually turn on the FRP tool. So open up the downloads, the folder with the tool, and open up the file. Okay. Okay, now click on use my Google account instead, and we still have the verification, as we'll take a look. And now we need to click on, the phone needs to be connected, of course, into our computer, and now click on unlock FRP. Click on continue. As you can see, device detected, analyzing security patch, the process has started. If the phone isn't recognized by the app and by your computer, you just need to restart it. So hold the power key and volume down and click on restart, and it should work. It is also important that if you open up the device manager on your PC or laptop, you need to see the modems, the Samsung mobile USB modem, and also the portable devices, Galaxy S22 Plus. Okay, as you can see, it's going 30%. Now we need to keep waiting. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to be patient. Okay, as you can see, the phone has been rebooted. We are at the level of 70%, so we need to keep waiting. If it's stuck, for example, on 40% in your case, or simply for like 5 minutes nothing is going on, you can simply close the app, unplug the cable, plug it again, and repeat the process. It will fully work, so don't worry if it's stuck. Okay, 80%. Okay, don't click on anything because the process isn't yet finished. Okay, 100%. We can see that the operation went successfully, device unlocked. So now we can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. We can also close our FRP tool. As you can see, the phone is rebooting. Now during the setup process we won't have any Google verifications. I'll show you that, so let's wait until the phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on. So now we can go quickly through the setup process. I'll show you that we don't have any verifications. Click on next, click on agree, click on next, click on setup manually, and we can skip the Wi-Fi for now. This time, I mean, click on next, click on skip, more, accept, more, agree, next. Okay, click on home, and now our device is fully unlocked, it's ready to use. Also, I highly recommend to perform a reset using the settings this time, just to make sure that everything has been successfully removed. So if you want to do it, scroll down, click on General Management, click on Reset, and if you are interested, you can reset through the settings by clicking Factory Data Reset and then click on Reset to confirm. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.